Yeah, my son did my room so dirty. He do my room so dirty. He don't care about me. He don't care. He don't care. This is all you. This all you though. He don't care. He did my living room dirty. Look. He threw my packages on the floor. He don't care. He don't care. I can't put my little centerpieces on my table because guess what? Look. He don't care. He don't care. So this is what I'm dealing with. A baby that don't care, okay? So I'm about to get my house together because Christmas tomorrow at this point. And yeah, it's looking real rough around the edges. Look. You don't care. I'm finna wash all my brushes. I'm finna just get it together, like, period. So, yeah. Hey, y'all. Hey, I am back. Oh, baby. This phone looks terrible. My salon. He don't care about me. He don't care. So right now I'm just about to clean up this little area and get it together because it looks like shit. So first things first, we're going to pick up all these damn brushes. I have 1,000,001 lip glosses. I have 1,000,001 everything. So first we finna get all that together. No, first I'm finna put some Carmex or some lip balm on these crusty ass lips. Like, you mad because I'm cleaning up? Ain't that about something? Bye. So I got my makeup brush because I like to clean out like my palettes and stuff. I like my stuff to be looking cute, like when it's over here on display. So yeah, I might have to go higher. Maybe my mama will make me like some shelves. So I don't know if I told y'all, but I want to get my room together. I wanted to do it for me for Christmas, but it's looking more like it's gonna be for like the new year or my birthday or something. But that's a gift I wanted to give myself, along with everything else I've been buying myself. Because I ain't gonna lie, around Christmas I definitely shop for others and me. And I just put it under the tree. Like, am I the only one who do that? I love to shop for myself as well. Like, who don't love to shop for themselves? So I like buy it and I wrap it up and put it under the tree. And then I'm gonna open it on Christmas, like. So these are just all my Anastasia glow palettes. This is the Aurora one. I gotta start back using highlighter. I might think about it 2020. So cute. Mommy gotta put some Vaseline on your little dry nose. Nicole, I think it's Guerrera. Sweetie. Guerrera. Nicole Guerrera. Nah, but it's pretty. I used this before. I did like a little cute pink highlight for my mama's birthday. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all how I do that, because it don't really show like it needs to show on me, so I had to tweak it. You feel me? It was real pretty. By Anastasia. I love this one. I used to wear these two colors all the time. What is that? Gumdrop and butterscotch. Yeah, I used to wear those all the time. Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. If y'all got like a friend y'all want to buy something for who into makeup, I'm telling you, you trying to help? Oh baby, oh baby, I got a little shock for a minute, so I didn't know what was going on. If you was trying to help me or what? If y'all get like a friend or something, you don't know what you want to get her and she doesn't own this, I'm telling you, this is like, this is a perfect palette. You could buy it for me 100 times and I would be thankful 100 times. Like, it's one of them palettes you just, it's just one of them palettes. So then I have this lip kit by Anastasia. I've never used this. I say I'm gonna take it to work and use it on my clients because I don't know. yeah, I think I'm gonna take this to work with me to use on some of my clients. So let me open it for y'all. It's just literally like lipsticks. You can mix them, you know, mix them, do what you want to do with them. I never used it before. It's so pretty though. Maybe I'll start. I said I'm gonna just start wearing my crease in my face. Do this wear. So, anywho, I just got all my Juvia's Place palettes right here in this little container thingy. I buy these all the time from Dollar Tree. I have like 3 or 4. I actually just had to put change in one because my baby broke my change holder. So yeah, I just have all my palettes in these things. The Black Radiance True Contour palette. Yeah, all of these. I've been slowing down on Juvia's Place. I've really been just slowing down on buying makeup, period. But all that is about to change. I've never been like, I'm lying, I used to be one of them people that felt like I needed the latest everything when it came down to makeup, but that shit's still gonna be there, and if you don't get it in, it might go on sale. So, but one thing I do want to start doing on my channel is reviews for y'all. So I'm gonna start getting little stuff, not like a lot, but like, you know, little palettes and bomb shit that come out, and foundations and stuff, just to test them. Yeah, just to test them for y'all. It's my baby. I'm hitting pan on her. Maybe that's why I stopped using highlighter, because baby, I started hitting pan on my glow kit, the sun dip one. Oh no, she's broken, and I know it's because of my baby. Yeah, we're finna go on this bed because I know it's from UG. You know what? I think it's not from him. I dropped it. I dropped it when I was in Miami. You know what, son? I take that back. I'm sorry. It wasn't you this time. It was mommy. Okay. So, anywho, that's how she looks. My baby bruised up a little bit, but I love this palette. All these shades look really good on dark skin. So, I used to be mixing them, baby. That's when I used to shine bright like a diamond. Oh, I have so much shit though, y'all. I got this last year. This is the best year ever. I'm talking about last year, baby. This is from 2018 and it's never been used. It's so pretty though. It's 3 little mini palettes. What's crazy is when I went to Miami, I said I was gonna travel with this, and I didn't, but it says I have more makeup at home, which is a fact. Like that. It's old. I have another one, y'all. It was a planner in it and everything, but I'm one of them makeup people, like if it's real cute, I don't really use it like that. So yeah, it came with a Better Than Sex mascara right there at the top. This is the first palette, and you could have broke them up and sent them to people individually. So it says 2 right there from right there. I believe in pink. We swear by that. But they all just really, bless you, mommy gotta put you a shirt on. I'm thinking because it was burning up in the crib, you ain't need one. But this is a real pretty neutral like eye palette. We love that. But yeah, I never use this stuff. This one is Natural Beauty. It looks like that. Oh, that's pretty. This is pretty. And it might be on sale, y'all. If not, I know they always come out with cute little things for the holidays. So that is called Super Fun Night. I love that. I love Too Faced Black. They blacks is super pigmented. I think your grandma called us back. Let's see. I just have hella shit, but it's not about palettes right now. I am gonna be showing y'all stuff, but I don't want this video to be dumb long. So then I have 1,000,001 lips, like, baby. So I put them in this little thing, and this is like his favorite thing to fuck with. So it never lasts. Like it be filled with all my glosses and lips, and then he destroys it. So if you got kids, you know the struggle. Okay. I don't know if I told y'all, but these is like one of my favorite glosses by Nana Coco. They at the beauty supply store. I literally have like every color, and they just bomb. So I love these. Really, G, the broom. Yeah. Yeah. Listen to my story, try to feel my pain. And do you know how it feels to be left out in the rain? We love those. The bomb is nude pink, and the bomb is nude from Face Stick. Oh shit, here go another glow kit. This is the Moon Child by Anastasia. It's cute. Lipsticks. Can't go wrong with Candy Yum Yum. Ruby Blue. This one came in like a little set. Oh, that's cute. Like a little set from MAC. This is my favorite lipstick by MAC. Wow. The writing is off, you dig? But it's a nude. I got it when I went to Atlanta. Oh, look. That's all I got left. I'm saving it. I'm saving it for a holiday or something. This is my little case where I put all my lashes in. Blink More Glam. These lashes is bomb as fuck. Millionaire Minx. All these lashes be Marcel Beauty. Oh, my sis lash. Ace of Slay. Go check her out for sure. Go check her out. You can never have too many lashes. Get it. So yeah, I'm just for to go find my clear case, and I will be right back so we can straighten this up. So I found these cute little things at the Dollar Tree, and I really didn't know what I was going to use them for. I just found them, and I'm like, you know, let me see if I can put my makeup palettes in. So these are my highlighters and my blushes. These are all just makeup palettes. Can you stop with the sit up for 2 seconds? These are just some more palettes, my lashes, some highlighters that I've been using for my inner tear duct, my foundation. That is the NARS one. The Fit Me, Wet n Wild, and Smashbox, of course. My Mocha Magnesia, my Cover FX setting powders, and over here are my lipsticks that I rarely use. This Fenty Beauty, I think that is the gold one. I don't even know what it's called, but it's like the gold one. I haven't used it because I don't exactly know how I'm gonna use it. So yeah, my setting powders and my concealers. Then this little corner over here is all my lips, glosses, you know, my facial hydrating moisture surge, all my loose powders. Then over here is all my dirty ass brushes. So one thing about me when I'm doing my makeup, I try to keep like all my brushes like kind of separate for the most part. So these is more like foundation, setting, and these are just like brushes that I use to press product into my skin like once it's set. And yeah, under here is so much stuff, y'all. Oh my god, yeah. So let me know if y'all want a makeup like walkthrough, because I didn't give y'all that, but that's gonna be long as hell. So be ready for like a 2-hour long video. But to wrap this up, it is all clean. Let's see how long it stays like this. So yeah, and my little mirror, of course, but I need to clean it. So we're gonna get some Windex for that. But yeah, I think I did good. It looks real cute. And then I need to build a fort so that my son will be able to come over here and touch it. Like, move! Get out the way! But yeah, that's about it. That's all. And I will see y'all for the next video. Okay, y'all. So that is the end of this video. I didn't clean up my little section. You did. Hopefully, fingers crossed, my baby don't come messing with it, because I'm going to have to put my foot in his eye. You know? But let me know if y'all want a walkthrough of like my makeup, because oh, it's so much. Y'all, cleaning up this little area just showed me that I have way too much unnecessary. I'm not even gonna say unnecessary. I'm gonna say makeup that I haven't used, like brand new. So let me know if y'all want a video on that. And yeah, that kind of wraps it up. I'm going to move on to my living room because it looks like crazy. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all want a makeup tour of all my little stuff that I have. And yeah, I will see y'all next time.